Hello guys, in this video let us do the unboxing of the SP Robotics Works Kodi Inventor Kit and also take a look at the platform. So you can see here is the Kodi Inventor Kit from SP Robotics and you can see the components given here. And this is a really cool DIY electronic kit for your kids wherein your kids learn STEM and other cool skills. So with this kit you can create a lot of cool robotic projects and you can see on the box the price code is 9,800 rupees and you can log into their SP Robotic Works platform to explore more about it. So here you can see here electrical and electronics, programming, mechanical and algorithms. So these are the skills that your kids are gonna learn when they try this Kodi Inventor Kit. And here are the components that come inside the box of Kodi Inventor Kit. As you can see, it has Arduino IC board and other cool kind of electronics. So here, opening up the box, you can see there are a lot of components here, and here are all the components you get: the plates, the wheels, and you have your IC boards, Arduino IC board. You have your Phillips head screws, battery, motors, and then all of the other required components for this Kodi Inventory Kit. This is the website of SP Robotics Work, and you can see here we have all the information given, such as buy robotic kits, drone kits, IoT kits, VR kits, and parts online. So here there are a few products for your juniors. So you can see such as scratch programming, electro block kit, electro block inverter kit plus online course, a drone course which is quite nice. So you can read all of the information here, and the pricing is also given. You can also buy the same with EMI. And here you have some of the senior products, which is artificial intelligence, and you can see all of these features here which trains your child in programming, AI, etc. And there are 25 plus projects in this course. We have a ranger kit, Kodi mega kit, Kodi inventor kit plus online course, and Android course. So I have got the Kodi inventor kit and online course, which I am going to show you in some time. So some super senior products which, as you can explore Internet of Things, virtual reality course, so you will easily able to learn Python programming, single board computer with Raspberry Pi, Unity game engine, etc., programming with C#. And here you have some upgrades that you can check out. So do have combo packs which you can check, and here the pricing is given. If you see here, we have the summer camp 2021. So this is the SP Robotics Great Robotics Summer Camp, which is the e-summer camp. So here you can just put in your information, you can get a call back. And here are some fun robotic and coding camps that your child can enroll with some junior ages 7+ years, senior ages 10+ years, and super senior ages 13+ years. So you can see what are the skills they are going to learn: creative focus and thinking, cognitive and STEM skills, logical thinking, problem solving, and self-esteem perseverance. Now here you can see we have awards and partners. DJI is known for their best drones and Unity for their gaming. Also they have got awards from Indian government and other organizations as well. So you can see there are some FAQs for this summer camp which you can check out and read. Now, so this is the login portal. So I've logged into my account, and here you can see here we have a nice community web page when people post their achievements and children post their achievement and works, which is quite nice. It gives a competitive edge to the children, and also they can learn a lot of things. So here you can see here we have Maker of the Month. So this child, Nandita Hari, has won the title of Maker of the Month, and she has created some really cool projects. And here you can see SP Robotics Info also puts up really cool articles which you can read and see. So here you have a lot of cool articles and informative articles that you can see. So here you can see a child, Krishnan awarded by MIT Boston for creation of Medi Smarty app. Now coming to the Kodi Inventor Kit, which I have explained you some of the features of it. You can see it's written that ages are 10+ group. So about the course, so here is the course. You can just put in your details and you can get through. And it's written that SP Robotics Works is India's one edutainment company with 81+ branches across India and present globally through its online learning platform. And here in this course you see the skills gained. Child will be gaining coding skills, debugging skills, mathematics, logical thinking, and problem solving and perseverance. So how online learning works: one-on-one personal guide, AI assisted learning. So Sparky is the AI assistant for the SP Robotics, and your child can interact with Sparky and get to know a lot of things and clear their doubts. And here you can see that you can see your code come to life here. You get a certified code completion, you get smart classes, and you learn from basics. And here are some of the videos which you can see which are made through the Kodi Inventory Kit. Now, so this is the Kodi Inventory course that you can see here that I've logged into, and I'm going to start it from scratch now. So it says that I'm going to learn C language with Kodi robot, code as a firefighting robot, automatic car robot, vacuum, etc. And you can see here you get a skill score on how you're performing with it. you get electronics, mechanical programming and algorithm, and also you get badges according to your time spent and the assistance taken, etc. So here are the videos which assist you on how to get started. For example, I let me show you introduction to the programming. So if you click here, it will just get loaded and a video will start. So this shows how it's done. So we have interactive mode here, which shows that AI will come and tell you its targets and ask you questions about it, which is quite nice, so that it checks whether your child is able to retain the information he has got or not, or if not. And if your child is not able to get the concept, they can obviously again view the video and clear their concept. So here you can here you have download resources, which you click, obviously it will download the resources which your child can refer to. For example, I want to assemble my robot, so I'll just click on this video and see what I need to do.
Now this chapter is going to be very interesting one. You're going to construct your entire robot in this chapter. So go ahead and take the middle plate from your kit. It should resemble the one that is shown in this picture.
You can see from the videos, the instructions are laid out very well and a child can easily understand what to do. So that's quite nice here. So we also do have a national coding robotics challenge that you can check out. All coming up next, let me show you two really cool projects that are made with the Kodi Inventory Kit. One is the pinball game and other the drawing robot. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, please click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. Also check out our website, which is www.thetrendyblog.net, in which we review a lot of consumer electronic products such as keyboard, mouse, headphones, etc. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and I will see you in my next video.